Hello, this is Rosario Newman with SDA Software. And in this video, I will show you how you can accelerate and secure development and production to hit release dates by efficiently embedding security practices into each phase of the software development lifecycle and production to uncover weaknesses. Mondoo is a solution that helps you find and prioritize security vulnerabilities and misconfigurations that pose the highest risk to your business. This is the Mondoo solution. In this dashboard, we can see that it brings together all of the assets and the CI/CD platforms and tools in a unified view, allowing teams in the security teams and the development teams to work together and collaborate more efficiently. We can see here the cloud instances, Kubernetes, containers, SaaS applications, operating systems, virtualization platforms here, and also the CI/CD tools such as GitLab, GitHub, Google Workspace, and as well as infrastructure as code. Mondoo supports CI/CD platforms such as also Azure Pipelines, GitHub Actions, and Jenkins. And it scans all of these areas, such as it scans system images to ensure you build virtual instances that are free of security vulnerabilities when working with Docker or Terraform. It scans application container images to test containers for security vulnerabilities during development before publishing to container registries. It scans Kubernetes manifests, and it scans infrastructure as code as well. So it scans the configurations files, such as Terraform configurations, to identify any flaws in secure settings in the way your infrastructure is defined, such as public IP address assignments. And it does this through policies. So let me show you the policies. Mondoo uses policy as code, and these are some of the policies that Mondoo scans against. So let me show you some examples. In the CIS GitHub benchmark, it has detected that there are these high risks in this environment. For example, ensure branch deletion are denied, ensure force push code to branches is denied as well. You can actually define and customize these policies as needed. So let's go to the main dashboard where we can see all of the critical exposures and priority findings. It brings all of the findings and categorizes them as priority findings or critical exposures. It brings out 5 critical exposures, and this is based on the contextual risks for this specific environment. For example, if we go in this area, there's these CVEs that have been detected, the CVE related to AWS on GitLab. So let's go in here, and it's brought it to the top because of these risk factors. Remotely exploitable vulnerability. There's also process listening on open ports, and it's internet exposed. It gives you a description of the CVE and what it's affecting, as well as remediation. So here we can go directly to the remediations, and it indicates that to resolve the security gap, these packages need to be updated, and it includes the shell script to update the packages. From here, you can take action and create a ticket so that the designated team can work on closing the security gap. For example, you can select here the ServiceNow, Zendesk, or other ITSM solutions that you have integrated in your environment, and it will create a ticket. I would like to show you also this area that's called workspaces, where teams can bring together the assets that they need to work on and monitor on a regular basis, efficiently have a way to look at all the vulnerabilities and work on closing these gaps. So we can see here that there's workspaces for production for IBM AIX, on the development side, JKE clusters, SaaS services as well. Mondoo can help you become aware of critical security vulnerabilities and misconfigurations at each step from development before it creates a problem and before it reaches production. If you're interested in trying Mondoo in your environment, contact us at sdasoftware.com. Thank you.